This is the game where 14 inchers are gold. There's a keeper. Not very often when you're all excited over a fish like that. But this new concept, new style, where every 14 incher counts, happy to see them. God, I hope I make it tomorrow because it'll be a lot easier decisions. Just go out and catch your 5 biggest, and that's where this whole format, it is a strategy, a mind game, all kinds of stuff wrapped up in one. And yesterday was probably one of the most fun fishing tournament days I've had, just because of the format, and it changes things.